Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can seed your field in Farming Simulator 25. So what you'll need to have is seeder and some tractor equipped to the seeder, and also you need to buy some fertilizer and seeds to refill your seeder. So as you can see, I have solid fertilizer 1000 liters and wheat 1000 liters. And how I can now seed. So first of all, as you can see, I hired some AI worker to do some tillage work, and now I will able to seed. So just select and turn on your seeder. As you can see, this crop not be planted in August. So what you'll need to have is calendar and see what day it is and what month. So you will need to wait until planting season, or just plant plant that grows in August. So as you can see, it is canola, grass, and etc. So select your type of seeds and you will be able to just use the seeder. As you can see, you can select seeds. So let's say canola. And now if I turn this on and lower the seeder, as you can see, I'm now seeding in Farming Simulator 25. So that's pretty much it. That's how you seed in Farming Simulator 25. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.